Viewers, wagwan, no some day I go drop another video, and this one very serious. Me know when you see that video circulate the internet, I may tell you say yo, it is so sad. It is yo, when not say yo, this is sadness. But before you drop a comment and thing when you want to do, just subscribe to the channel so we can post video every day and thing, and always can stay to the latest. Always get the latest. Student, Mona say a grade 11 student, boy me tell her in kick up, mash up a grade 8 student because if you step on his shoes. Me tell you say yo, how can these kids being so violent? The last time we see we are 2 or 3 grade 8 grade 11 student or grade 10 student kick up a grade 11 student till family get involved, and it seems like say the youth them not learn. And this one I said speed, brother, when you young and when time if you do other people retaliate. Yeah man, 7 brother, 7 different mind. Cause a youth can't really step on your shoes and you do things like that. Cause they make that screwed. Alright, so if you viewers them, me I go make you know the latest update our really one about the whole of the video there. Student has been charged in relation to the beating of another student. The BB Cove High School in St. Elizabeth on Thursday, September the 28th. The minor who was charged with assault occasioning grievous bodily harm will be arraigned on Monday, October the 2nd. Head of the St. Elizabeth Division, Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto said that the injured student is currently being treated at hospital in the neighboring parish. Viewers and subscribers, when you see me talk about them something here, brother. You see me? Them something enough really go on to school, and you see gang and badness, all of them start from this also. More still, you have some people where the parents them can't talk to because they get good treatment. Parents deal with them good. Then go to church, but some people just choose to be bad. And that's one I think where I mash up with country because these kids start gang and violence from school, and from school then come straight to in it. And alright, you look away for you send your youth go to school, right? And another picnic do your youth that. And you as in an adult if you know say yo, other picnic that, you will retaliate. And that's why we always say yo, crime and violence can't stop. Because the kids them know in this generation. It come like yo, boy, me no know, but them are the youth and nowadays and telling them not to no eat. None not learn from none, brother. You see, pray, because look what happened to the last student. And this one still come do the same thing because of a shoes. Imagine a man to and you kill a man for that. A man take your shoes and you beat up a little youth like that. And you as in a grade 11 student to a little 14-year-old youth. Youth, wise up. That's all me can say to wise up and